Here are some clips that'll make you say,
"What the fuck did I just hear?"
Next question, Jeff, where are you? Right there.
Yeah. I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for all you've done to your bodies. It's still real to me, damn it. I mean, thank you.
Take it easy, man.
Thank y'all guys. Y'all are awesome. Thank you so much, Mr. Funk, for saying what needed to be said. I don't want to see another one of these.
Sing along with the beasts. Sing along with the beauty. The beauty is kind of pretty. Is that embarrassing, Blair? That ever happened to you? You're sitting there, you're watching an animated film, and you suddenly find yourself attracted to the animated figure. Isn't that terrible? The Little Mermaid? Oh, you know, how embarrassing. How embarrassing to have a thing for an animated figure. If I were animated, by golly, that Little Mermaid, I'd go to the beach more often. Here's a Lee Sands flap front eelskin handbag, speaking of the beach.
Another technique, bioenergetics, designed to help clients release memories stored in the muscles, in this case by hitting a pillow with a tennis racket.
I was angry at my mother. Okay. So I started saying, "Mom! Mom! 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 Why did you do that to me?"
We'll meet back here at 8 a.m. Don't be late.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, me too, but, you know, I'm really wired. What do you say I take you home and eat your pussy?